Hi everyone, we're just here. I'm just going to unbox a bag. I did a repair. You can see another video. I did a repair on the wheels, one of my bags, and it lasted for a while, but then the handle broke. So I was looking around, even a lot of our box stores. There was nothing that was really, for say $70 to $100, they didn't look too impressive. I was looking at some of the ones on Amazon. They looked okay, and I saw this one was overseas. It was on TEMU, and it's a harder shell, but it opens from the top. So I'm just going to unbox it, just show you what it looks like, and then later on down the track, after I've used it a bit, I'll add some comments if there's anything negative. Probably I'll forget about it if it works well. I probably won't say anything, but you can ask questions if you want. Anyway, we'll open it up and have a quick look at it. It's not going to be much to this video, but yeah, it is travel related, so see what it looks like. And sometimes these things look good in theory. Anyway, let's have a look. Get this out. Don't mind my presentation here. There's not really much I can do. Can't do this on a table. Too much time to set up. Anyway, quick look. So, okay, we've got looks like TSA locks here, which I'll open up in a second. 4 wheels. The wheels don't look that wide, but there's on each of the 4 wheels, it's got 2 separate wheels. Doesn't seem to be. Thought it might have had a lock to hold it still. Doesn't seem like it is. So this is the type of bag that can run away on you. His handles seem to be reasonable. It feels strong enough, fairly tough, but still flexes a little bit. Pretty self-explanatory handle. Now let's have a look. I think the middle is just an expansion. Yeah, that's just an expansion. So part of the reason why I got this one is because it, lay it down, it opens this way. So a lot of these hard shell ones, you've got to split them in half, and I just thought, no, that's going to be a headache. But this opens sort of like the more traditional way. Yeah, so, okay. Pretty plain sort of bag. There's not really much to say. I guess nothing's going to fall out from those edges. So it does have an edge. The lid doesn't go all the way to the edge of the bag, as you can see there. A couple of compartments up the top. Will be handy for something. I don't use that many compartments. If you're the type of person that likes a lot of compartments, maybe this is not the bag for you. But from memory, it was about 80 Australian dollars, I think it was. So we'll see how it goes. I'm not too sure about these wheels, but I guess for that sort of money, it doesn't have to last forever. I'm mainly using this domestically, but it'll get a good workout. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you find that of interest. If I remember, I'll put a link, but you can just do a search on TEMU yourself. But yeah, I think this type of opening is much better than the ones that split in the middle. For me, that's just a headache. This one, you can pack everything in there. Some of my items might be higher than the middle of the bag, so if you had one that splits in half, yeah, it'd just be a headache for me. So yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, that's the TEMU bag. Like and subscribe if you want to, if you feel like it. You can give it a like. The the video. You may not have thought about a hard shell bag with that type of opening at a budget price. But there you go.